The DJI Mavic series has dominated the drone market for years. The Mavic 3 sold over 100,000 units in just a few months. Now, the Mavic 4 Pro is on the horizon, and leaks are painting a clear picture of what's coming. From leaked flight footage to teardown images, we now have a good look at its design and upgrades. And the changes seem promising. If you're into drone tech, hit that like button and stay tuned. DJI has been testing the Mavic 4 Pro for months, fine-tuning its performance. A recent leak from Jasper Ellens showed a prototype unit landing, confirming that DJI is deep into development. This suggests an official announcement could be close. Another leak from Igor Budanov revealed a crashed Mavic 4 Pro. While crashes aren't ideal, they offer a closer look at the drone structure. It appears slightly larger than the Mavic 3 Pro, possibly indicating a bigger battery, and new frame design or internal enhancements. One of the most exciting upgrades is the camera system. Leaked footage shows 3 zoom levels 1x to 0.5x and 6x. Reports suggest a triple camera setup with a wide-angle lens, a medium telephoto, and a long telephoto. The 7x zoom from the Mavic 3 Pro may be gone, but this setup could improve overall image quality. Video capabilities are also getting a boost. The Mavic 4 Pro is expected to support D-Log recording for better color grading. Its main camera may feature a 24mm f2.0 micro four thirds sensor, which would improve low-light performance. Built-in ND filters could also be included, a welcome upgrade for filmmakers. A surprising addition is vertical video mode, a feature seen in DJI's Mini and Air series. This is great for content creators making social media videos. In terms of design, the Mavic 4 Pro may borrow elements from the Mini 4 Pro, especially in its lower rear frame. This could improve aerodynamics and cooling, crucial for high-performance drones. Reports also suggest DJI has enhanced wind resistance and obstacle avoidance. A new cooling system, possibly with a dedicated fan, could help manage heat during 6K video recording. Battery life is another key improvement, with leaks pointing to a 14% increase in capacity, potentially extending flight times. As for the release date, insiders predict a March 2025 announcement and an April launch. Pricing is expected to start around $2,800 for the base model, while a premium SE edition with ProRes recording could range between $4,400 and $5,000. With a redesigned airframe, an upgraded triple camera system, and vertical video mode, the Mavic 4 Pro is shaping up to be a game-changer for professionals and content creators. An official announcement could drop any day now. Are you excited about the Mavic 4 Pro? Let us know in the comments. And if you want more updates on DJI's upcoming releases, be sure to subscribe. Meanwhile, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is also making waves. Even though DJI recently released the Neo, a compact vlogging drone, many drone enthusiasts are eagerly awaiting the next Mini model. The Mini series remains a favorite for travelers and casual drone users. It's lightweight, portable, and stays under the 250 grams weight limit, making it easier to fly in the US without an FAA license. However, this weight restriction limits how much DJI can upgrade it. One of the most anticipated improvements is the camera. Some reports suggest the Mini 5 Pro could feature a 1-inch sensor, a step up from the Mini 4 Pro's 1.3-inch sensor. A larger sensor means sharper details, better low-light performance, and improved dynamic range for stunning aerial shots. A major resolution boost is unlikely. Instead, DJI seems focused on improving clarity and color depth rather than increasing megapixels. By capturing more light and enhancing dynamic range, the Mini 5 Pro could deliver superior footage without requiring extra storage or processing power. Based on DJI's usual release cycle, the Mini 5 Pro could arrive in November. DJI typically launches a new Mini model each year, so a late 2025 release seems likely. Beyond the camera, improved AI tracking is another expected upgrade. If DJI enhances subject tracking, the Mini 5 Pro could follow fast-moving objects like cars and people with greater precision, making it even better for action shots. Another rumored feature is 5G connectivity. This could improve live streaming, provide smoother video feeds, and ensure more reliable control over longer distances. For professional users, this would be a big advantage. Despite these potential upgrades, the Mini 5 Pro will likely be an evolutionary step rather than a complete redesign. DJI must balance new features while keeping the drone under the 250 grams weight limit. The Mini 4 Pro already offers a solid 40-minute flight time, and DJI will likely maintain or slightly improve this without sacrificing its lightweight design. For beginners, the Mini 5 Pro could be the perfect starting point, combining ease of use, high performance, and portability. It may not revolutionize the drone market, but it could refine it in meaningful ways. What features do you want to see in the DJI Mini 5 Pro? Let us know in the comments. And if you want more updates on DJI's latest drones and other tech news, don't forget to subscribe. We'll keep you posted as more details emerge.